guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time since we're back, but we're back this summer. Videos are going to be coming out, we're going to be pumping. Got a new car on the channel as well, like the last video, but yeah, we'll get into it, hey?
Alright, so my name's Vincent, the boys call me Vin Dog. This is my 2007 Civic Type R, P-Plater edition. So, Seany mate, let's come. So, other than any other normal Civic Type R, we have many water bottles inside the door.
Sanitizer, yeah.
Some sanitizer as well for COVID.
Stay hydrated, and chewing gum.
And chewing gum.
If you don't have that,
both empty.
Even a P-plater?
Completely depleted packets of chewing gum. Are you even a P-plater?
That's how you know you're just picking up chicks left, right.
That's it. Now, we have in the back a gym towel.
That's what we need.
A Macca's cup tray.
Oh, there we go.
And an extra hat just for good measure, you know, just in case.
Just in case someone comes up to you, you need to fucking go hard.
In the sunny Australia. Now,
that's it.
Also, we have a saggy headliner.
Yep.
Which is an essential. You're definitely not a P-plater if you do not have the saggy headliner.
Hopefully we'll have a fix coming to the channel soon, guys.
Definitely.
We'll see.
Got that on its way. But also, got a banged up steering wheel.
Australian heat.
Too much VTEC, too much grip on the handles. Now, you've got a hybrid racing short shifter. Very short throw. You know, switch gears faster on VTEC.
We'll show everyone.
Yeah, sure. Get nice and close to that.
Wow. Get it to focus. Sheesh. That is hot. That is hot, if you ask me. What else we got in the mods list, mate?
Alright, come around to the back. We've got the Mugen Edition spoiler on this bad boy.
That's it.
Paint is a bit how you going, but
we just gave this a bit of a buff.
Yeah.
Looking a bit alright, that's how it was before. But hopefully we'll get to that and try to fix it up, because that's looking a lot better if you ask me.
We've got Works CR Kawamis wrapped in Hankook RS4.
Hey, some nice tires,
whatever you want. Beautiful. Come around to the front. We have DBA T2 front rotors with Brembo pads. Looking a bit rusty after our wash, but just a lot of rotors.
So yeah, there we go. Looking good.
Nice gutter rash as well. You know?
That's it. Oh, you're a P-plater, mate. Yeah, that's it.
When you have a lowered Civic Type R, these, you know, fender flares tend to rip off, so we've got a bit of a cut here to stop it from ripping around all the way.
Especially if your owner thought it was a fully hectic JDM cunt and decided to do quick release bumpers.
Yeah.
So then he cuts this shit. And that's what happens when you think you're a fully hectic JDM man.
So we've had it lifted over the weekend to clear the new mod that we've got coming onto the car.
Which we'll show you guys. That's what the video is mainly about. Hang, we'll show you the lip.
We have.
There we go. That's what we want. Wait. We've got to show them the sticker.
Show them the sticker.
Only, boys. Only. That's it.
We have Flow Design FN2 V3 front mitt for this bad boy. Now, the car has previously had a front mitt on it from the previous owner.
Fully hectic JDM owner.
It's not on the car when I bought it. So, if all goes well and Flow Design hasn't changed the design, we should have all the holes ready to put this bad boy straight in. So let's get to it.
Looks like there's rain up ahead, like there's a crack in the heavens. Feels like my day could be turning, like I can tell that my luck's gonna change. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down.
Alright guys, we've still got this whip in the fleet. A lot of shit's been happening to it. What we can see here, bit of a watermarks on it because of the rain, but it's a freshly painted hood. Beauty. Freshly painted front bar from last time. So we're looking pretty good if you ask me. And then freshly painted roof, which is pretty hectic if you ask me. It's pretty shiny.
Come around to the back, mate. What about these little extra mods?
Yeah, that's it, fellas. So we got 4.5 custom tips, maxed in rear diffuser, maxed in rear lip. Had a lot of mods, but we'll show you guys in the engine bay in a second. Alright guys, so we've had a couple things done since last time. It's full stage 2 now, since you last saw on the channel. Here we got the custom DTF OEM denied in Queensland's intake. We've also got our RS ECU holder. If you look down here as well, we can see we've got a Puma Speed R Sport intercooler installed on it. new coolant hoses here. So we're doing a lot of preventative maintenance with the beast. And also during the last period, it's had an RS clutch installed into it. Done myself. We'll pop up a photo right now. And also an M Factory LSD put into it as well, and we'll pop that up on the channel as well.
Beautiful.
Yeah, mate, this thing around the corners, another level. I'll tell you what,
demon, mate.
Track day coming soon.
That's what we're going to do. Pull this bad boy off. Get this lip on. Got a bit of water in it.
It's alright.
Alright. She's off.
Alright, we'll see you in a second. So the fully hectic bumper releases have worked. Beautiful. And we've got a couple of holes in the front bumper here, and we're just going to see how our lip lines up with that. But yeah, hopefully we should see some hectic lip action in a second, hey? Alright guys, Vin here is just trying to cable tie a bit there. That's how you fix up your P-plate car. But
mate, cable ties are the most, the strongest material that you can use to fix something.
That's it. The splitter's looking good so far. We've just gotten the one bolt there and putting the other one on over there. But yeah, I'll show you in a second how we're going. Right, here we go. Vin's getting the drill going hard.
Alright.
Reverse, that's it. Yeah, looking good. A couple more holes to go and we'll be all good. Alright.
Mate,
what have we done? That is low.
It's beautiful, mate. Look at that.
That looks killer.
Oh my god, side skirts coming.
Oh, I know, side skirts would look hectic.
My word with some, man. I'm excited. Look at that. That's beautiful.
What do you reckon, guys? Drop a comment below, yeah?
Drop a comment below. You can hear what the scrapes sound like. Just looking at it, mate.
You can only imagine. Just 1 foot below, that's the clearance we have, and this has been lifted recently as well.
We got it lifted about 10 mil the other day, but low life.
Wow.
We go from one damage to the bumper, big scrapes here, some damage to the lip, coming soon. P-plate special.
Alright guys, we'll give you a bit of a montage now. I'll show you how it looks.
Yeah, wow, wow, wow. I'm too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this.
Fully legit.
Give it a slap, mate. That's it. Mate, Australian made. Australian made chief, mate.
That's how we want it, hey?
Mate.
That's it, it's all popping off.
Beauty. Go from first?
Yeah. Guys, we just got to check if the car's working. Yeah. Got to make sure we're not scraping on anything, if that makes sense. It's working, guys. No scraping, hasn't fallen off.
Yep, the car works. VTEC is,
is kicking in. Yeah, wow.
That's it.
How good.
So we've got fire extinguisher in the XR5 for the Great Australian Heat.
For the track day, guys, and we will be having a rear sway bar install coming soon. And some track mods. We're probably going to do a couple of things just to prepare it for the track, but you guys see that soon, alright? Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below what you want next video, and we'll see you next time, hey? Let's fucking go.
Everyday mods, every way.